Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we're going to solve the second problem from exercise 1.3 from Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started with the second question. Question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So they're asking us to prove how this 3 plus 2 root 5, this number is an irrational number. They're asking us to prove how this is irrational. So let's go ahead with the solution. If possible, let us consider 3 plus 2 root 5 to be an rational number. Now, what is the definition of a rational number? Any number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and b is not equal to 0. Here I am taking it in terms of a and b. So by that, a by b is the form of the rational number. A and b belongs to integers and b is not equal to 0. And it is also given that a and b has to be co-prime numbers. So by that, 2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. I am sending this 3 to this side, and by taking LCM you get a minus 3b by b. Next. So by that you send 2 this side and you get root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by 2b. I am taking it to be some equation 1. From equation 1, we get to know that RHS is an rational number. That is, the right hand side is an rational number. This right hand side is an rational number using the properties of a rational number, while the LHS, that is the left hand side, is root 5, which is an irrational number. Hence, by our supposition is wrong, and by that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So we have completed solving the second problem of this exercise. So refer my channel for further videos. Watch it for all the videos and solutions of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So we have completed it. Do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.